But there's one player that I'd like for us to talk about. Billy Kwala Riding Chiefs, Mfundo Vilakazi. I feel like Mfanolo is ready. Wadlala ko squatting under 20 and he's scoring goals and he's an important player wabona. He's even wearing jersey number 10. Comes back go club level go Kaizer Chiefs, they're not giving him enough game time. But you're looking for a player that can solve the situation. Talk about creativity, Mfundo Vilakazi is creative. Talk about skill, Unali skill. Talk about distribution of ball, white distributor. Talk about goal, Mfanolo. Why are they not playing him for Kaizer Chiefs? Or should they maybe loan him out at Tola game time? Because now this riding say na sharper, confidence-wise.
Yeah, I feel like go under 20 national team. Ana pressure on go Chiefs. Go Chiefs when he was promoted, there was a hype about him. That he'll carry the team, right? And then, I promote you. He was starting the games. And then, the assist Kadibala, how many goals did he score? I'm being honest. And then we are Komfuking, who got the same opportunity, right? And he carried Pirates. That's why he's a big player, go Pirates. Because he carried Pirates, right? He might not be getting enough game time, yes. Coming on as a sub is difficult too. But the opportunity he got, I feel like he could have done more with it. Then he could have been a bigger player for Chiefs. So, but him being a youngster, it gives him more time to get to that. Or like next year, he's still growing in the game. Mfukeng took that opportunity he got in the first place. We kill it fast. And he carried the team. At his age, he carried the Pirates. Mfundo Vilakazi, go Chiefs, and then he didn't carry Chiefs. And Chiefs was struggling at that time, unfortunately for him. The situations were not the same. But he got there, and if Nakora every game, like Chiefs Nijiwa, we could have been talking something different. Kebeli starter. If Nakora, like Chiefs Nijiwa, if Nakora every game. Getting as a sub, a police, why getting as a sub, he scores. Getting as a sub, go Chiefs score. I'm not talking about Lori, maybe he's not getting enough opportunity. But how can as a sub? Score. Not 45 minutes. Right? Go under 20, there's no pressure. The biggest player that go under 20 because he's playing for Chiefs there now. And then coming to Chiefs, Chiefs fans everywhere, bruh. Get 60,000 every week. Go stadium. And you must carry it, you must score. Doesn't matter assist. Like wa sharper style. That's what Mfukeng did. That's carrying the team. Score, win the game for the team. Not 1-0. Then the fans themselves will say, "Tonsa in this game." Coach stage. Start. If you 3 games in a row as a sub and I'm scoring, I'm raising my hand. You must start me. But if you're okay and then maybe like create a 1 and then not impact the game as much. Linus game go kala penchi.
So are you saying Relebohile Mfukeng is actually better than him?
In my view, yeah, he is. Mfukeng. Yeah, he is. He is.
Nzunda.
Captain number 2000.
Mfukeng is promoted from DDC Orlando Pirates, comes to the first team and is surrounded by quality. He comes to the first team, he has better quality. Even when he comes on as a sub, angayenzi plan udlala quality. Compared to Mfundo Vilakazi, he's promoted at a time where Chiefs are struggling. There's a lack of quality. Do you still think if Mfukeng Nai had the similar situation as Mfundo, he'd shine like he's shining now?
For me, I would say it's different, and as Tuso highlighted, because of Mfukeng go to a Pirates team that was doing well, so it's much easier. You understand? Because Bagafiga, now the team was not struggling that much, but it was there. So Bagafiga coach tune confident. You get build up a confident tune. You can do whatever you want to do. So Chiefs is struggling.
So is it easier to replace a Lodge?
No, it's not.
Yes, but he did that.
You understand?
Go Chiefs have no one to replace.
You see?
Go there shine.
Hence you are saying, let me show it. We are issue now. Now we are issue, but I issue straight. Good, there's more quality at Pirates than Chiefs. I Kulum straight. So that's why I think also Mfundo, the quality at Chiefs.
Yes, around him.
Yeah.
Then carry us.
Yeah, and he has to carry the team.
Yes.
Okay.
You understand?
In closing, your view, Mfundo Vilakazi, Mfokeng, who's better?
Hey. Really? Aye.
Better than Mfundo?
Yeah. Aye. Wenzi something mfana wangikhumbuza ngeenkazi zami lithi.
Yeah.
Hayi my man. I know, let's leave it.
and also before Nginvayisa Mahotman, do you think Pirates are nothing without him? Pirates Hambile this weekend, first game of the season, they had to play without Mfokeng. 90 minutes without Mfokeng. They struggled to score goals. Does this mean that without Mfokeng, like creativity la paphambili kupakapa?
No, I think there is creativity, because of he's not there. It's not like the team is struggling that much, but his impact in the team, because he has been there at Bucks, and we know what he can do. We understand, and we know Uguti chances that he creates. Our final, our banya ba konuku create. And we keep we one pen. Upeane goalkeeper so zozibona ukuthi wenza kanjani. Uyangithola. But now I think the team is missing him. You understand? And maybe ngakhulumela mina, I think we miss him. Maybe nale trainil days we are good.
Not sure that I'm Mfokeng.
Not that short that is like on the field. I think Mfokeng only influence. Once you get to a team and you carry the team, only influence around you. So you being absent totally from the team does affect the team. I'm not saying that's why Pirates lost, but I'm saying Mfokeng has established himself that he's an impact player for Pirates. That's what I'm talking about. Like he carried the team, Pirates. So when he's not there, it shows around that Mfokeng is not around. But I'm not blaming him also like for the loss. Or maybe that's why that's why Pirates is here. No. Pirates just didn't show up this weekend. They didn't show up to Africa. It might be also the Bafana Pirates. So never qualified for World Cup. And then they didn't take this game so much like importance. It's a Champions League game. They are from a World Cup qualifying game. It's a World Cup already. The excitement and now the thinking World Cup, and they took this game for granted, and they had to pay for it. And unfortunately, it's a mountain to climb now for them.
It's a mountain to climb for Ezimnyaga Ngenkani. You heard it yourself, Bafetu. Mfundo Vilakazi, Rilebukhile Mfokeng, but Rilebukhile Mfokeng is better. He knows how to carry the team. Mfundo Vilakazi is struggling. He has no quality, but also he can't carry the team. Mfokeng would come on as it's up. A shy one goal, Nyanu, coach Abano Tanban. Start. Mfundo Vilakazi couldn't do the same. And then, Bati, Coach Peter Mosimane could influence the situation at Chiefs for better. Tuso believes Uguti, the two coaches that are given an opportunity, Asbapinis Katis Bonoguti what they can do. But maybe Kaizer Chiefs misses Nabi. What do you have to say? Kaizer Chiefs, do they miss Nabi? Maybe you even think Mfundo Vilakazi is better than Mfokeng. Comment section, you vuliwe all the time. Pendula says Pendula Nat. If you want these two OGs here to respond, Bazo Pendula Nababakchela Gutino, Brian Koganje Naganje Naganje. And lastly, before Sivala, both teams are in action on Wednesday. Kaizer Chiefs taking on Siwelele, Orlando Pirates taking on Polokwane City. Kaizer Chiefs versus Siwelele. Score prediction?
Kaizer Chiefs versus Siwelele?
Yeah.
Yes.
1-0.
Who?
Siwelele.
Chiefs ngeke boy.
1-0.
Tuso?
2-0.
Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs, yeah.
Hokorabo man.
How? Spoil for choice. Hoda.
Let's buy two but sepileng khoralo uzoshapha buy two fela.
He's thinking about it.
Modi. Lilepo. What is Lilepo Serino. Dupri.
Dupri.
Hey. No, it's there. Yeah, no, Siwelele would win. 2-0, yeah, 2-0 win. At home, it's a must win.
Siso, Puti na Polokwane City are coming to Orlando, obvious. Rock salt, amaqanda, chemical engineer. By the way, that chemical engineer, but abantu mele by promote Bafana. Yo wenzakalani Polokwane City versus Orlando Pirates 14.
Polokwane City
2-0 Bucks. Mahopa. A police.
Oba Panisha V. Game 2. Tuso.
Polokwane City is a very difficult team.
Marala Jalilu na lisa koridi goal mas.
Yeah, Mare, I see a draw.
Score.
1-1. Close game. I think they are very well organized. Polokwane City, like I watched them play, they are very well organized. Very difficult to score against.
Bascoting.
Yeah, go Scotty. Also, yeah, but I see a draw. 1-1 draw. Polokwane. Pirates 1-1.
Nizwele bafethu. Bathi Kaizer Chiefs is gonna win 2-0. Lelepo, Pule Modi or Ashley Dupree bazokora. Orlando Pirates bathi izodrowa 1-1. And then usifiso mina uthi Orlando Pirates 2. Ozona police uzobaphinda futhi. And then evidence Makgopo uzothi khalakasha L1 ukwatila ngithi besithi akakwazi ukora ama goal, so he has a point to prove now. And then aphinda athi Chiefs versus Siwelele, he sees a straight win, 1-0 win for Isiwelele. Let us know what you think, especially I prediction yakho, can it be based on facts? What's happening now? Not la. Yabona mazoyibhisa uzokhala uzochest. Can it be on facts? Asibekeni ama facts before ubetcha or you do anything. Remember, Kaizer Chiefs are struggling to score goals and they can't come back from behind. Remember, once Orlando Pirates leads, it's difficult for them to lose. Siyeke ezandleni zakho bafethu bathi Danko, thank you. Cereal's breakfast from Misbego namajita sithi abasho.
Nathi.
Manana.
Yeah, kusirino buyi. Sikakhatha.